Hello and welcome guys to our channel Quick Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to change your passcode of Trust Wallet using your phone. So before starting this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that bell notification button so you will be updated with our latest videos in upcoming days. So now let's get started. First, you need to download Trust Wallet app from Play Store. Then once you install it, you can just click on the option Trust Wallet icon on your phone. Then type your passcode that you entered before. Okay, so now we are in this page. So at the bottom you can see the option setting. So click on that option settings. Then when you click on that option setting, you can see the security option over here. So click on it. Now re-enter your passcode. So let's re-enter the passcode. So when you are done entering a passcode, you can see the option passcode and this blue button over here. So when you click on it, you need to re-enter your password so that you can change your passcode. So now if you want to change your passcode, just click on it once again. Then it says create a passcode. So type a new passcode, then retype your passcode again. So when you are done typing this password correctly, your passcode is going to change. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you again in another episode of Quick Guide. Until then, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that bell notification button, and don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Thank you guys.